Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture that is about lipids, and that is on page number 278. Lipids, these are the macromolecules compounds, and these are made up of glycerol and fatty acids, and these are insoluble in water and but soluble in non-polar solvent like ether, benzene, and they primarily they are made up of fatty acid, glycerols, and sterols. Okay, and they are utilized by the living organism, and these are the fundamental particle of our balanced diet. As there are two other fundamental particles, these are the carbohydrates and proteins, and they are also lipids are not only have they having the application according to the living organism. They are also having some industrial application, like it is used in paint, detergents, varnishes, and polishes, and cosmetics also, and pharmaceutical industries. Source of the fats and oils, these are the plants and animals. These are the source of the fatty acids. Animal fats are located particularly in adipose tissues, and butter and ghee, they are the special type of the animal fats. They are skimmed from the milk, and vegetable oils chiefly present in the seeds and the nuts of the plants, and marine oils are also obtained from the sea animals like the salmons and the whales. Next, we will move towards the structure of the fats and the glycerol. Whenever one glycerol that reacted with the fatty acids, it will convert it into the esters and water. And as you know that the oil that containing the unsaturation, while the fats or the ghee, it is unsaturated, it is saturated. Okay, and the melting point of the mixed glycerol glycerides would be depend upon the extent of unsaturation present inside the compound. Okay, and next we move to the classification. There are three types of the lipids. When the simple lipids, then is a compound, and then is the derived. Simple lipids, which is made up of by the reaction of glycerols and fatty acids. As you know that while the compound acids, lipids, they also contain radicals, and the derived associated lipids, these are formed by the hydrolytic process of the above mentioned compounds like sterols, vitamin D, and the terpenes. These are the examples of the derived lipids. Next, we move towards the physical properties. As you know that fats and oil are liquid and non-crystalline solids at room temperature. Oils and fats, when pure, they are colorless and odorless and tasteless. They are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent like acetone, ether, carbon tetrachloride, and carbon disulfide. And next, move towards the they readily form the emulsion. They produce the emulsion when react with the water in the presence of soap or other emulsions. They are also the poor conductors of electricity, and these are the excellent source of insulation for our body. As far as concerned chemical properties, whenever these esters, they are hydrolyzed, they are further again converted into the glycerol and the fatty acid. Saponification, in this process of the saponification, these fats, triglycerides, they react with the sodium hydroxide, and it will convert it into the glycerol and the soap. Hardening of oil, as far as concerned to the hardening of the glycerol, in this process the oil that converted into the fats or ghee in the presence of the nickel metal, and the process of hydrogenation will convert it oil to the fats. Okay, this is all about today's lecture. Inshallah, next week we will study about the saponification number and further on. Okay, take care. Allah.